Okay, just have to confirm that PPT is your on the screen or not. Hello. Okay, so let's start with this session. In this session, we are going to see the last points of this fifth chapter. Name is lighting for outdoor and special application. So the first point is lighting scheme for aquariums. What are the lighting schemes which are adapted for the aquariums, which is in various different sizes and shapes? The next one is lamps used for aquarium. The lighting scheme for shipyards. Detailed activity in shipyard. Luminaries required. Lighthouses. Dockyards. Light sources used for different application. Special purpose lamps used in photography and video films. And some important lighting equipments. So take a look for the aquariums. So which is situated in the uh, I think it is in the Singapore, one of the faster hotel, and see the area or the tunnel which is constructed under the aquarium. So to illuminate this kind of portion, we have to see what are the lamps are used to illuminate the total aquariums. This is household aquarium which is situated in living room as well as in the living hall. This aquarium which is illuminated by the ultraviolet lamp. So for the scheme which is adopted for the illumination of aquarium, various factors we have to consider. So lighting provision is made considering following aspects. The aspects are the lights which are used to illuminate the fish tank, which is depend upon the size, what type of size is required, and which is also depend upon the application where the fish tank is installed or the type of building. Then it depends on the place where it is to be put exhibited. It means types of building. The next one is lighting depends on water, temperature, and surrounding. Yes, yes, Shivraj. Hello. Ah, okay. Check once again. Hello, Shivraj. Check now. Okay. I think my network is also in the strong mode. Okay. Okay, I'm continuing with this. For safe lighting, the aquarium must be electrically and mechanically sound. It means the fish tank where the light fittings are installed over the fish tank, which is very electrically as well as mechanically strong and sound. That's why the life of that the light fittings should be increases or not disturbed by that various factors. The next one is lighting provision depends on the color effects of the surrounding of walls, of hall, ceiling, etc. It means what are the fish tanks are installed in the living room as well as in the hall. For that purpose, to select the lighting color, which is depend upon the effect of surrounding color of walls and ceilings. Then white colored or a different faint color lighting decorates the tank. Miniature lights, LEDs, small CFLs are suitable luminaries for this purpose. So if it is small fish tanks are there, then small LEDs or small fluorescent lamps or compact fluorescent lamps are installed over the fish tank and under the cover of that fish tank. If it is big, then LEDs as well as projector lamps are installed over the fish tank. As well, ultraviolet lamps are sometimes used for bacteria killing purpose. So there is a spelling mistake. Instead of using filling, there have to be killing. So bacteria have to kill on in that water. The lighting is also depends on various accessories used in aquarium. What are the accessories are required? So depend upon the we have to install over the aquarium. So most of whatever the fish tanks are installed, which is depend upon the applications. That that point is very important. And according to that, where the fish tank or the aquarium is installed, depending on that, we have to design a scheme for the illumination of that particular aquarium. So next point is lamps used for aquarium, which is already be seen in the photographs, such that ultraviolet lamp, CFL, LEDs, small wattage halogen lamp, and decorative lamps. Ultraviolet lamp, which is used for both purpose. One is for the beauty of aquarium, which will be increases as well. The surrounding condition will be fruitful to plants and fishes to increase their life by killing the bacteria in the water. That's why the life of fish will be increases. Now the next is shipyard. Take a look for the shipyard where the detailed activities are carried out in the shipyard. First of all, we have to know the term or the name of shipyard. A shipyard where the maintenance of cargo ships are used, and the shipyard lighting always depends upon the all surrounding conditions. For example, wind pressure. Just a minute. Okay. So where the shipyard lighting always depends upon the all surrounding conditions. For example, wind pressure, rainfall, location of shipyard from the sea or shore, etc. So it is sure that The shipyard is always located on the seashore site. The shipyard lighting always depends upon the type and capacity of alternator which is held in the ship for inter application and the capacity of alternator which is installed in the shipyard and any other non-conventional sources installed in that particular area for all outdoor applications. In the every shipyard, there may be limitation of conventional. In every shipyard, the electrical and mechanical safety is the prime motto. At that time, the illumination design, all safety precautions have to be taken. The life of shipyard lighting should always be more because there is no uh, feasible work which is to replaceable the light fittings which are installed on that the shipyards, which is not very easy task. So that the light fittings are used on the shipyards should always be more. Life of light fittings should always be more. The cost of the lighting which is used, which is very economical. Every shipyard station should be free from any type of pollution, for example, water pollution, sound and noise pollution to the commercial communication signal. At the time of shipyard lighting for outdoor application, we have to consider total area of water which is covered by the illumination. The shipyard lighting is always at the remote place, slightly away from the seashore. So at the time of shipyard lighting, every wiring can be replaced easily. The maintenance and the repairing of shipyard lighting system should be simple and less. At the time of shipyard lighting, the navigation signals and lighting are very important to control the various ships. At the time of shipyard lighting, we have to consider these factors also. The shipyard lighting, various lamps are used to get the proper lux level for energy saving purpose also. Some of the lamps are used below force or some of lamps are used as foot lamps, solar glass, LED solar energy, various focused lamps and metal halide lamps are also used. So next one is detail activity in shipyard. In shipyard, various type of small length, big length boats called as vessels coming towards or going on way. The power driven vessels, that is small boats whose length is less than 50 meter, when underway should have a white light on the mast and various colored light which is installed on the small boat. So take a look for this a small boat where a white light is situated on the tower or on the mast. So it indicates some movement of this boat. As well, below the white light there is a green light, so it indicates the boat is going towards the right direction. So it is called as vessel boat. So there is, for the navigation, there is colored lights are installed on the boat or vessel boat. So the navigation light for ship. So there is a light configuration along with the pictures where they show the position of the boat. So in that photograph, a one number photo shows a boat moving towards the right side, and it is known by if the person only see the white light and green light in that configuration. By looking towards the second number picture, if we see the three lights at a time, one is upper side at white and one uh, green lamp at the left side and red light at the right side, then it is known as a boat is coming towards us. Third picture shows if we see the light that is white and red, then it is known as the boat is moving towards the left side. And last one is fourth one is if we see only a white light below the boat, so it is known as the boat is going towards from us. So it is the meaning of the configuration of lights which is navigate the ship. The navigation standard lights are displayed the presence of boat, whether the boat is underway or at anchor, the relative course of the vessel, the type, size, and mode of propulsion of the vessel, the hazards such as fishing vessel at work, a vessel engaged in minesweeping, the luminaries required to illuminate the shipyard, which is always saltwater free corrosion, the rigid lamp construction to sustain vibration. So that will increases. Now the next one is lighthouse. The meaning of lighthouse is to identify the seashore to the ships which are in the oceans, which provide a visible signal for the shipping over large range. The color and flashing characteristic are unique to each lighthouse to be identified by a particular signal. The light with prismatic lenses are still used. The filament lamp and xenon discharge lamp are used. As well, luminous power of lamp is very high. The flashing lights from the lighthouses are produced by means of revolving screens. It means a lamp is continuously rotated in 360-degree by revolving the entire optical system or by shutters. In test, narrow beam is required, which is produced by small size lamps of very high luminance with long life characteristic. Commonly used light source is a lamp incandescent type with a cruciform or a bunch filament type. Power capacity is 3.5 kilowatt. Also 2 kilowatt power capacity xenon lamps are used. Next one is dockyard. For the loading and unloading activities, our dockyard are used by the ships. It means the loading of goods and unloading of the goods is required. So to illuminate this area, large area, uh, light fittings are used for the dockyard. Discharge lamp floodlights are also used. Sometimes when the tide is low, shadow may cast on the dock of vessel. So floodlight on the board ship on dockside must be resistant to the marine atmosphere. So die-cast aluminum, copper, stainless steel or plastics are suitable material for the light fitting to withstand such atmosphere. It means corrosive atmosphere. On board ships, tungsten halogen floodlights are mostly frequently used. The lighting is really needed when the dry dock is sustainable, full of ships, frequently leaving little space between the dock walls and boats, a latter having a lower surface curving away from the vertical side to horizontal bottom. Wide angle floodlights are provided into the side of dock at successive levels, the units being capable of complete submersion. Temporary supplementary lighting units are also required for the uh, portably movement of or portably illuminate the area of the dockyard. So next point is light sources used for different application. Advertisement. For the advertisement, already we see the light sources are used. So there are types: metal halide lamp, neon lamp, halogen lamp, LED lamp, neon tube, etc. For the floodlight or as a floodlight, mercury vapor lamp, halogen lamp, LED lamp, metal halide lamp are used. For the street light, mercury vapor lamp, sodium vapor lamp, fluorescent lamp, LED lamp, metal halide lamp are also used. For the decorative lighting, LED lamp, small capacity projector, neon tube, metal halide neon lamp, multicolored LED are used. In the hospital, fluorescent lamp, LED, halogen lamp, ultraviolet lamp, infrared lamp, CFL bunched filament lamp, projector lamp are also used. For railway platform lighting, fluorescent lamp, LED lamp, sodium vapor, mercury vapor, metal halide are also used. So next point is special purpose lamps used in photography and video films. So there are general lights required: key light, soft light, and hard light. The key lights produces outputs, soft edges, shadows. Fresnel spotlights are used. Soft light, diffused illumination with defined margins is used. Poorly defined shadows are produced. Soft light luminaries are used. And for hard light, shadows produced are sharp and geometrically precise. Ellipsoidal spotlights are used. In addition to this, luminarize, color filters, diffusion materials are used. So also controlling and focusing arrangements are provided. So there are some lamps used in photography. It is tungsten halogen lamp, incandescent spotlights, carbon arc lamp, metal halide lamp, fluorescent lamp, compact lamp, xenon shard arc lamp, lasers, LEDs. So these are the lamps which is used in the photography as well as in theater and for the television purpose and for the broadcasting purpose. So configuration of this lamp, the aimed is that to make a effect on various effects on the stage to create moody scenes according to the daylight as well as night and depending upon the scene and the script, what are the sets we have to install or decorate on the stage. So according to that, the lamps are and the colors effects are illuminate on the stage. So these are various reflectors are used for the photography. So next point is some important lighting equipments along with the projectors. So first one is parabolic reflector, that is beam projector. Its working is it has a lamp and a parabolic specular reflector. These are adjustable to produce a wide or narrow beam of light. So looking at the configuration, a lamp having a reflector like parabolic, so it produces a narrow beam or wide beam. Next one is neon lens luminaire. It is used in film shooting works. Construction is lamp reflector focusing mechanism for light output changing. Its type is known as intermediate or hard. External beam control is achieved due to provision of barn doors. Third reflector is scoop type floodlight. It has a lamp holder, reflector and brush finish type. Arrangement is variable or fixed. Field angle of illumination is 90 to 180%. It means the beam is radiated from 90 degree to 180 degree. Sorry, it falls in the category of soft lamp, tungsten halogen type. Wattage is 0.5 kilowatt to 2 kilowatt. Size of scoop is 300 to 450 mm. Ellipsoidal spotlight. It has a tube type lamp and ellipsoidal reflector. The location of lens is shown in the figure. The framing device, lens system or the element. The shaped beam passes through lens. Beam is focused category. Hard edge lighting. The size is 90 mm to 300 mm, which is lens size, and wattage is 0.4 kilowatt to 2 kilowatt. So the last point is Fresnel lens spotlight. It having a lamp, a tungsten halogen lamp. Wattage is 75 to 12 kilowatt. Metal hard lamp can also be used for small compact unit. Arrangement of pan, tilt focusing on off are provided for remote operations. So this all type of reflectors are used for the photography as well as for the theatrical concepts and for the telecasting purposes. So that can a director can achieve the light effects on the set what they are required. So these are the type of reflector as well as type of lighting equipments. So here your chapter is finishes. That name is lighting for outdoor and special applications. I will share the notes on the WhatsApp group, and also we are going to take online test on this chapter. Thank you all. Okay.